Alright, back in some forest action on the KX. A little muddy. Gonna be a little slick today. We got Jake over here on the KTM and then Sam on the KLX here. And this spot's pretty sick because you get to ride on the roads. Roads are a little wet though, so we're probably gonna take it pretty chill on them. I believe the first stop is gonna be at the quarry. Got a pretty sick gravel pit there.
Just a little farther, and then we'll hit the trail.
Oh yeah. Woo. I believe that is where one of our buddies went down last time. Oh yeah, heading on a trail. Alright, might be 4 without the goggles. Maybe not. This stuff's like sand. Woohoo! Oh.
Let's go up the left side of that.
Heck yeah. This stuff's like sand. Huh? This stuff's like sand.
Yeah, I know. No. Sam, you should try this.
Yeah, going up this side's pretty easy as long as you got momentum.
Yeah. It's just really deep.
Like even going right there, it's like sand. Like
it's like sand. It's
in the middle, it's not too bad. Like on that path.
yeah, it's been packed a little bit, and once you get up there, it's not too bad.
Yeah.
You just gotta, yeah, like I said, keep momentum.
maybe if you hit that.
I'll hit that once this cools down.
Oh. Yo.
You see?
Yeah.
I didn't go down on that one, but I came off the bike.
Dude, that's a kicker.
No, dude. It's steeper than it looks from here.
Oh yeah.
Are you gonna give it a go?
Frick, dude. I do that, I feel like I'm tumbling.
That's straight improvisions, man. I literally just landed on my feet with the bike and it saved it.
You gonna hit it, Sam?
Yeah, Sam, that was the deal, but
Just start back there, keep her in first, and just stay on it.
first gear all the time.
Yep. And then coming down, just like put your butt back, stand up a little bit, and drag the rear brake just ever so slightly. Just feather it. it, get it! Ah! That was good. Yeah.
Sending?
How sketch is it at the top, huh?
Like once you get up there, it's not that bad. It's just like loose.
Huh? Yeah? Alright. Oh man. Oh yeah, we sent her, bud.
That's crazy.
You did a backflip.
Dude, it landed perfectly.
Yeah, you're lucky you landed up here, man. How did that feel?
Freaking sick though. Dude, it's just straight vertical when you get there.
No, it's like steeper than
Looking down there, I was like, all right, little kicker, you know, buck you up, front down.
Get you in this backflip. Probably could have stayed on there and on the backflip.
Dude, I would have landed it. Dude, it didn't even, it launched forward, dude.
Started laughing his ass off and after.
Dude, I heard it. I rode the left side, and then I got too far over. I got back, it started to pick up. I'm like, oh, great. Thanks.
Yeah!
Yeah!
You hit the dinkage one. I haven't met that one.
Yeah, I went right over that hook.
Nice. That's what knocked my bike down. Fucking solid.
Heck yeah, dude.
You need to do that one next. That one's way easier than that one. Yeah.
May have slightly taken the wrong line, and let me tell you, that thing is an absolute kicker. Oh man. Oh yeah.
First gear?
Oh yeah. I love it. Just gotta send it on the hill climbs, yeah? Did you go down?
Yeah.
What?
I, like, fucking was turning and it just died and fell.
Oh.
Snaps.
Oh yeah. It'll give you a little bit more leverage.
Oh yeah, true. And I don't have to like keep my fingers,
Exactly.
Like,
Yeah.
You're-
You can just I mean, yeah, you can use just 2 fingers now. All right, goggles have come off. Oh. Oh. You good?
Yeah. I got lost momentum so hard.
Oh. Look out. Heck yeah, that's a wrap, boys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Drop a thumbs up. With all that being said, join the club, and I'll see you in the next one.